Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can how you can send a voice chat on Discord. So as you can see, there's this microphone button. You're just going to hold there, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!